Hey everyone, I'm Shruti and I'm a digital marketer with 5 years of industry experience. And today in this video, I'm gonna review about Web Marketing Academy, that is WMA in Bangalore. And it is known for its hands-on learning environment in small batches. But before we go ahead, I would like to discuss what really digital marketing is because it's such a broad field with opportunities in social media, SEO, content writing, performance marketing, and all. And you don't need to learn everything. You just need to be great at one or two focused areas and you're good to go, right? Because companies will look at your communication, analytical ability, and the portfolio. So there is no need to learn everything and you need to be great at one or two focused areas. All right. So if you are very serious about learning the digital marketing, then I have linked my personal recommendation into the description box. You can definitely go and check this out as well because it comes with a 100% placement guarantee and the money back guarantee too. And you can even compare it with other courses to find a better option, right? And now, if I come to this course review, now if I come to the course review, then we will check its curriculum, class setup, learning style, trainers, and practical exposure and the duration and cost, etc. So if I starting with the key highlights of this course, then it is best digital marketing training institute in Bangalore as they claim, and they have also claimed that they have 80% of their students are coming from the referral from their students only, from their alumni. So basically, it's an offline course and it comes with a practical training with live projects, the placement assistance, lifetime mentorship, soft skills, presentation, storytelling, mock interview, everything. So let's check whether they are providing the same or not, as they have mentioned. Basically, this institute offers an intensive 3 months of digital marketing course, which is, I guess, digital marketing crash course. If we go here, now coming to this course, then the duration is for 3 months. The duration is for 3 months, which is basically 80 to 90 hours. And this covering everything that they have mentioned here. It's an offline program and it is located in Indranagar, Bangalore. They have fun interactive classroom sessions and so that you cannot be bored. And they're even providing you everything, including the mock interview, soft skills presentation and all. Let's go to the curriculum here. They have 40 plus modules in this course and 5 plus certifications. And they're also claiming that they have already trained 5,000 plus students in their course. So basically, they have 40 plus modules in their digital marketing course, including the concepts of digital marketing, website planning, affiliate marketing, AdSense, advanced SEO, technical SEO, blogging, content development and marketing, and the performance match campaigns. It's in social media to email, affiliate marketing, video, mobile marketing, inbound strategy, and planning. Right. So this is all included in this course, but they have not elaborated this much in their modules because these are the small modules and they have mentioned it separately. Now coming to the certification points, so they are providing you 5 plus certifications in Bangalore, and it includes the industry institute certification and the Google Ad certification, HubSpot, email marketing, content marketing, and inbound marketing. So basically, it includes the Google credentials, which is the plus point, but they have not provided any of the certificate from the Meta itself. Then, if I talk about the class setup and the learning style, so basically they are claiming to be provide a small batch in their course. So classes will be conducted on campus in Bangalore with a minimum of 8 students per batch, 8 to 10 students per batch, and it ensures and they are even ensuring a personalized attention, which is perfect for the immersive learning. But they are only claiming it is not sure, so you would have to check it with their alumni only. Then, if I talk about their trainers, and they have not mentioned clearly about their trainers and the faculty, but this can be a doubtful thing. So you need to check it with their counseling team. But if I talk about the practical exposure, then you will do the live assignments in every module. So it's not just theory. You will be getting the real-time hands-on practice, which is there in many programs. But even they are providing you the top tools like the Google Trends, SandGrid, and all. So these are the main important tools which should be there in a course. And if I talk about the duration and the cost of this course, in the duration I've already told you it is somewhere approx 3 to 4 months. The fees is 49,000 plus GST. So if I talk about the placement support and the outcomes, so I don't think they are providing any placement guarantee in their course, but they do offer a strong assistance with resume preparation, mock interviews, and the job update via email. So they are even providing you the job updates via email and WhatsApp. Or it it starts often before the course even ends, right? And they have also mentioned that some of the students have landed placements with the packages around 3.8 or 4 LPA, right? So now if I talk about the reputation and the feedback for this institute, then WMA also consistently scores approx 4.9 on Google. And this is not sure, but you can even check it on Trustpilot and Google itself. Now, if I come to my honest verdict of this course, then course curriculum and relevance is good, but they are not covering the important modules such as Gen AI and all. So I will give them zero point 0.5. Certification recognition is somewhere nice, and the mode of learning is only offline. So I will give it zero point 0.5 because it is not for the students who are residing outside Bangalore. And the trainer's expertise and the trainer's expertise and industry experience is also not clear. I will give it zero point 0.5. Knowledge of tools and access is somewhere nice. I will give it 1. Placement support and career guidance is not there. Course duration and the fee structure is an average score. After course support is also not there. Reviews and reputation of student is not that much popular. Hands-on learning and practical exposure, they have given the clear images, so I will give it 1. Now the course becomes 7 out of 10, which is an average score, not quite good. But if you are if you are ready to invest in a digital marketing course, then I would like to suggest you that you can go with another options as well in the same range in the 50,000 plus, and you will get a placement guarantee too. So for this, my honest verdict is clear that I will give it 7 out of 10. Now, if you want to go with a course that I personally love and trust, so it is linked in the description box. You can definitely go and check this out as well. It comes with a 100% placement guarantee and the money back guarantee too. Plus, you will get the daily job updates and you will get the Gen AI into it. So now, if you like this video, just don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have any doubts, just comment below, and I will personally reply to you with all of the possible solutions. Till then, I will see you in the next video with another course review. Thank you for watching.